Hey crafters, it's Muriel. So I was finishing up my homespun candy canes and I thought I would just show a quick tutorial on how I put them together in the event that there was someone out there that didn't know. I've done this once before. I looked back at my video and I started looking at other videos of people who have done this before, and I got a different idea. So I wanted to show you. I'm down to my last two, but I'll show you them here. I've made, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be a total of 8 little homespun candy canes, and I'm doing something different in that I am, excuse me, I have a larger star, a larger bell, or a bell. Last year I didn't have a bell, and I'm wrapping them with some, what is this called? Oh my gosh. Not twill, not burlap, but this fabric, linen fabric that I have. So, and then I'm going to put a vintage tag on them. So what I'm doing, if you haven't made these and you're interested in, I've taken some homespun fabric that I had quite a bit left over from last year, and this is homespun. Here it's like gingham, and you can see it on both sides, and I just made long strips, and then I took the candy canes from the Dollar Tree, which, believe it or not, I bought 5 packs the other day, and I'm down to my last pack, but they look like this, and you just wrap the fabric around the candy cane and then you hot glue it as you go, so it'll just look like this. And as you are wrapping, it's shredding, it's you know, the thread is coming undone, so it really adds to the character of the candy cane. So then I take a twig, which is something I picked up at Michael's, or did I pick this up at Target? This is a greenery pick, and I basically am just using some cutters and cutting it off, say like right there. And I'm going to lay that in, you know, on top of the candy canes. And then I have this star. This is a rustic star from the little ornament section of Hobby Lobby. I got them the other day. They were probably 50% off, so I bought 2 bags. And they have a smaller size, but I just got what they had, so I'm just going to lay that on top. Then I'm going to take my, whatever this is called, let's call it twill, and I'm basically going to use this to wrap it. You can use twine, you can use, I even had some, you know, red Christmas twine, and I also had some of this stuff here, Fun in a Jar hemp twine, but I just thought this would be good. I saw someone's channel and she had used this, and I thought it looked really, really cool. So basically I'm going to tie this really tight, and I tied one and pulled it so tight that it broke. It broke at a good spot, but this is just to show you how tight I'm going and how weak this fabric is. So then you have your 3 candy canes tied together with the star, and the hoop for the star is right here. So I've tied it in a knot. Next thing I'm going to do is get one of these jingle bells. I've had these jingle bells in my stash for such a long time. This was a jar I think I picked up at Target. I just put some thread around it and put a sticker on here from Halloween, and I keep these in here. So it looks like I need another green one, and they are jingle belly. You can hear it. So I'm basically going to thread this bell through that wire, and then basically I'm just kind of bending the wire maybe like around the bell, so it's not going to come off. If the person gets this and wants to undo it, they can, and they have an ornament, and they also have a bell. But it's basically a decor. So then I'm going to go ahead and just cut off some of this fabric, and it's fraying, and that's good because it's adding to the character. Okay, so I may want to pull this some so that it'll fray a little more. See, so then you have it. And then I have these vintage tags that I thought would look cute on, you know, something like this. Says Christmas trees $3. Here's a to from. But they just have that look about them. So I think I'm going to add those onto my candy canes. Here's one that says do not open till Christmas. So I'm basically going to punch a hole with my crocodile. Let's see, I'll punch a hole, say right there. And then I'm going to thread it. I think this is where I'm going to use my hemp. So I'm just going to use a small piece of this. As you know, I have been crafting all day and washing, and you know, I stopped and ate a couple of times, but it's just been a really productive day for me, and this is how I like it to come to, especially this time of the year when I know I am trying to get projects off the showroom floor and into the packages to be mailed. So I'm just going to like put that on there like that, tie this hemp around, tie a little knot. I love making these. If you look on YouTube, you'll see there's been plenty of ideas. I did 3 in a bundle. One girl did 2. I thought 2 was nice. In the past, my last time I did them, I think I did 5 or 6. But this time I wanted them to go far. So you can even like raise the fabric up like that. So now I'm just going to cut that like that. And then you have your little bundle to go with the rest of them. Fun project. I have to thank Tracy over at Country Charm by Tracy, because she was the first that I saw who made these. And it's such a great idea, and I hope the person that I gift them to, you know, keep them around forever. I think they make a really cute show piece on your dining room table or your coffee table, maybe next to a candle. So it'll be something really fun. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good night. Bye now.